You are going to love the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.